Hi guys, today we are going to see how we can create a Django project using different methods. So let's get started. First of all, I already created virtual environment and activated it, and I'm inside this directory. Let me show you. Let's test and venv. So let's clear the console. Let's start with traditional method django-admin start project and project name is core project. So what it will happen, let's see. This is our project, this is our root directory, and inside this we have the same name with the project. This is the project directory and this is the manage.py. So this is the one way to create the project. So let's create a project with another way. So I'm going to create another project with the core project with dot argument. So let's see what will happen here. I'm going to enter. So you can see here core project, and within this our project files are here, and manage.py is outside this. So what will happen with this dot? It is saying that create a project within this directory and not create any subdirectories. So let's start with another method django-admin start project, and I'm going to use one argument template is equals to, this is the template I already created. So let me show you. You can see here manage.py starter, and within this our project. So I'm using this. So let's, and the name of the root directory we have to pass here, like core project template. You can see here within this directory we have starter and manage.py. Starter is a project. You can see how this is created. So let me delete these. Delete and this also. So django-admin start project template is equals to, this is the template. Name of the root directory will be core, and create it on same directory. As you can see here we have starter, as you can see starter, and within this is the project. So starter and manage.py, this is the project and this is manage.py within this directory. So there are lots of way to create a project. You can use third-party packages like cookie cutter, and you can use boilerplate codes, and you can manually set the code, like you need to create a folder, and within this you have to copy paste these files and manage.py. So thank you so much.